I have a Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to turn the TV on or off without your remote. So let's say the remote is not working properly for one reason or another and you want to turn the TV on or off, then there's usually a button on the TV. So a physical button that you can use to do basic navigation on the TV, including turning the TV on or off. So I'll walk right up to that TV and then I'll show you how to do that. So that button is usually right here under the Samsung logo. So as you can see on this particular TV, the Samsung logo is down here, and under that there's a button. So if I press it once, it's going to bring up this menu, and on this menu, if you press once, it navigates to the next item, and every time you press once, it navigates to the next item, as you can see. So what you want to do is make sure power off is highlighted and then long press on the button to activate that particular option, and that's going to turn off the TV. So to turn it on, once again just press on that button and the TV comes on. And if you want to turn it off again, once again just press the button once to pop up the menu, and then with power off highlighted, just long press, and that's going to turn off the TV. And that is basically how to turn the TV on or off without your remote. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.